Hey guys, and welcome to my craft room. This is Mike with Dreaming Tree, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how I created this waterfall or floating effect using the vintage teacup from the Tea Time SVG bundle, and I also used flowers from the Alluring Florals bundle. I used different sizes from the roses and the mums. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how we created the waterfall effect. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is Mike, and we are going to be making this floating teacup and saucer. I used, again, the teacup and the saucer from the Tea Time SVG bundle. I used the rose and the mums from the Alluring Florals bundle, and I just kind of resized them in a bunch of different sizes. And those are the elements that I used to make this, and then I just got a dollar store butterfly to hot glue at the top. Alright, so I did film this once and my camera didn't record, so I am doing this again. That is why my projects are just white. I don't have any pattern paper on them. So you will need the teacup and the saucer from the Tea Time SVG bundle, as well as these flowers. You will need a 16 gauge floral wire stem. This one is about 18 inches long. And you're going to need a lot of hot glue. And you'll need a small rock. And that's just to keep the saucer, everything from tipping over. So the first thing that you're going to do is just bend this in half, like this. It doesn't have to be that perfect. All right, so all I've done is folded this in half. That's all I've done. And I just kind of, I want to make an S out of it. So for the bottom, I kind of want to fold these up a little bit. I'm going to do individual sides. So I got that up like that. And then this side, I want to kind of bend down a little bit. And you can kind of make this any way you want. So basically you're kind of making an S. And at first it's not going to stay. You can kind of just work the wire a little bit until it stays like this. And then if you look at it from the side, it is kind of like an S. And you can spend as much time as you want. For the base part, you kind of want this to rest like this. So you're going to want to either angle it just so that it is a little up, like this is perfect. And then you want it to spill, so when we hang the cup, it will be like this. All right. So you're going to spend some time, bending this wire until you get it to how you want it. So I'm going to say that this is good for me. And the first thing I am going to do is just hot glue this here. And my hot glue gun takes a while to cool off or to set. So I'm just going to rest that there. And I'm just going to apply some glue down here first. Now you can be a little bit messy with the glue because we are going to be covering it up with the flowers. So don't worry about it. So just hold it there until it sets. All right, so now that your glue has set, you can kind of just be very, very careful, but you can just bend the wire a little bit until it's sticking straight up or as how you want it. Again, be very, 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 very careful. Mine looks okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. Mine looks okay like that. I am happy with that. But again, you're going to just want to spend some time doing that and getting this exactly the way you want. And we are going to hot glue all of these flowers over and behind. Let me show you. So they get glued behind, so you're not going to see this. but it is there. All right, so let us go ahead, and now we just really need to hot glue this in the same way. So I'm just going to, without burning yourself, please. So I'm going to hold it mine like this, and I'm just going to put a dollop in the center there to hold it, and maybe some on the sides. And then once that sets, I will definitely come back and add some more. So I think this project is more of a waiting game for waiting for the hot glue to set up. But really, that is it. I mean, then you're going to go through and just hot glue all of your flowers, but this is the diagram, or this is the project. So you're just hot gluing the wire to the saucer, and then this part to the cup, and that's it. And then you need the rock to keep it balanced. And you can see, or you may not be able to see, my rock is right here. And I just chose to cover mine with flowers, but you could or you don't have to. So I hope this was helpful, and I am looking forward to seeing all the floating teacup and saucers that you guys are going to make. Until next time, bye.